Since 2018, the Jinniu has been investing $55,800,000 to introduce Italian Li BST and burger programmable control Ceruti full self intelligent high-speed printing machine Japan Fuji high-speed no solvent laminating machine and fully automatic high-speed bag making machine. Introduction of various types of intelligent industrial robots from CIIC2 and intelligent storage and logistics system to realize automatic opening. Intelligent packaging line integrating sealing and palletizing at the same time. Matching MES PLM and product quality traceability systems are used. The intelligent construction of Jinniu is getting scale. Ceruti printing line adopts BSD control system electric eye. Automatic print mark reading burger programmable control. The electronic axis system of the machine makes the independent drive of each color group. And overlay functions are perfectly combined by photoelectric sensor. Real-time checking of overprint error. The error signal is checked by PCC in real fast processing at the time of printing to improve printing accuracy. Automatic viscosity check. The test instrument improves printing accuracy and reduces the number of different batches of products. Overprint color difference online monitoring system automatically detects production in quality defects and improve product quality. Automatic unpacking and sealing and palletizing intelligent packaging line easy to achieve self automatic opening and sealing of boxes. QR code automatic identification sorting sealing and palletizing and other functions to improve work efficiency. The whole product out of the warehouse. AGV intelligent transport robots from raw material warehouses to production trucks. Intelligent management from interval to finished product warehousing. Calling distribution. Transmission integration reduce production costs by replacing people with machines. Ben information system software for intelligent stereo warehouse. Control of material management in the warehouse with intelligent transport systems. The system is connected to achieve a high degree of integration of intelligence and information. In 2019, Jinniu's 2 integration standards were launched. Another comprehensive upgrade of the information management system achieved. Software with inventory barcode management and production equipment management. Docking use information system software to control the goods in the warehouse. Material management connected to intelligent transport systems making production. Manufacturing int.